So it's available in these many languages. So Visa Type C is available in English, Estonian, and Russian. So I'm going in English. Your email address and put the code and go to the next page. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, surname. To the second page. Oops. Surname and word former. First name. I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own case. Date of birth. Again, do it as per your own case. I'm just putting some sample. ID number apply, place of birth. Now these things you should match with your passport. And any information that you enter here, make sure you match it 2 times, okay? Not just once, 2 times, and verify. Surname and birth, okay. So current nationality, nationality and birth if different. So I'll leave this in this case. Other nationality, India does not allow dual nationality. Civil status, marital status, you can say. I select single. Ordinary passport, most of people have that. Number of passport, issue date, are you a family member of an EU, uh, Estonia excluded, EA or Switzerland citizen, spouse, child, grandchild, dependent, descendant? I select no. Profession, okay. We have so many here. What should I select? Let's say IT specialist. Current occupation, I'll just say IT. Employer or education establishment, New Delhi IT. Address country it has asked. Street. County, region, phone number. Oh, street. Member state of main destination. So I select Estonia. Other members, I'm leaving it, but if you have definitely provided. Member state of first entry. This is very important. Number of entry requested. Internet date of arrival. Let's say you're going in July 10 and coming out on 31st. Main purpose of stay, I set to tourism. Other purpose of stay. Uh, Additional information on purposes. So you can provide that. Place of stay. Private, I select hotel. Name of hotel. So I'll just select Estonia Hotel. If you don't find your address here, you can put manually also. Email address, if you have booked your hotel, definitely you have a, you know, their email address. And of course, you know their phone number too. Yeah. Who's gonna pay? So I select applicant itself. And what are the things you have? I select. Wow, so many. Fingerprint collected for the purpose of applying for a Schengen visa before. I select no. Entry permit in the final country of destination where applicable. Do send country of origin or the country of your current nationality. I select yes. Applicant home address. Okay. Phone number, email address. Place of submitting the visa application. Okay, let's see what are the oh. Okay, here we have New Delhi. I mean, that's what you need to do as per your own case. Sample, guys. Page 13. So this is declaration. Okay. And definitely I'm not gonna do that. But once this is done, you have to download and sign. Okay.